Hi everyone and welcome to Storytime with Kate. You probably noticed that I have beautiful play silk scarves at the back. Today I'm gonna unbox one of the most interesting resources that you can use in early childhood education care, family daycare, after school care, at home and anywhere where you educate children and play with them. Very beautifully made. So these are called pongee silk, or they call play silk. Usually originated from Waldorf Steiner pedagogy, and you can actually buy any silks and scarves as long as they're beautiful to use for imaginative play. So imaginative play is when children imagine, as you can imagine, and use their imagination and play without restrictions. So it's one of the best types of play. It's free play, so children can play pretending some roles, dancing, pretend to be butterflies. And these silky scarves are amazing for this kind of purposes. I'm just gonna open one and show you what they look like. So you can buy them online, and it's very beautiful handmade ones, but they're also not handmade silks, not hand dyed, I mean. So this is how this silk looks like. It's 90 to 90 centimeters. So if you imagine child would be much smaller than me, and they can pretend it to be a cape. Yeah, so that's very easy to pretend. That's what they love to do. So based on my experience, easy cape, so not suffocating, very light to run around. You can also create some kind of hand covers, especially if you are from Russian culture like I am. So that's like a girl hat. These scarves are really beautiful and versatile, as you can see. So they're very light and just amazing sensory experience. So sometimes you can just display them in your rooms or outside, especially if it's outside like now, so the wind is blowing, and it creates sensory experience for babies. It creates sensory experience for toddlers as well. So even if they are not touching it, yes, so while it's beautiful, they can just be stimulated, and their brain will start wiring, and all these important connections will start forming. I will show you one activity that I do with scarves like this. So it's called meditation and you can call it yoga rest time. So I usually use these scarves for creating kind of wind blowing, and I usually sing some songs. It might be a song that is beautiful, like somewhere over the rainbow bluebirds fly, or you can just put some nice classical music or sleepy music on and allow children just to explore the texture, pass it around, touch and feel it. So it's a very sensory experience. That's another song that when children lie down to rest, I ask them to not to move, for example, and just feel the scarf silk touching their body and touching their face. And we can play dead fish as well, or dead lion, a variation of it, so when they should move and wait till the scarf will touch them. You also can sing some songs like, again, Steiner, Waldorf style, for example. I can blow like the wind. I can bring the rain. When I blow very softly, I hope you will enjoy play silks and more activities to come for circle time and preschool. Thank you for listening. Click subscribe.